You want to hold it right in the middle of the barbell. Feet straight, slightly bent knees. Throw your hips back, shoulders back and down. Abs tight. Now you want to balance the barbell with your forearm. This works your bicep, but it works your forearm a lot as well. Go ahead, start curling. Blow out on the way up, breathe in on the way down. Look straight, blow out, breathe in. Abs are tight. If you notice his arm's not swaying back and forth. The goal is to keep this bar as parallel to the floor as you can. The minute you start moving it back and forth, when you see the bar swing, you have to go to a lighter weight, or you're not doing it correctly. You got to hold it tight. You got to make that forearm work for you. If you notice his arm isn't swaying back and forth, we want to keep your arm nice and tight. His shoulder is back. It's not moving back and forth either. His abs are locked, so his back isn't working. Everything is tight, locked. Just his bicep and his forearm is working.